23 ABC News at 5 starts now.
Good evening. Governor Gavin Newsom has unveiled a detailed plan to reopen the state amid the coronavirus pandemic. 23 ABC's Kylie Walker explains the criteria that needs to be met before California can move forward. Kylie?
It's been nearly a month since Governor Newsom issued a statewide stay-at-home order, and today he laid out 6 key indicators that we must follow in order for him to consider easing up on that current order.
There's no playbook that someone else has put together. There are examples from around the world. We are incorporating those best practices.
While Newsom did not give a specific date, he says if we follow the infrastructure and start to see numbers decline, then he will reevaluate the stay-at-home order in 2 weeks.
So that we can continue to see this curve bend. We want to see hospitalization numbers flatten and start to decline. And we want to see ICU numbers flatten and start to decline.
But Newsom says during that time, we will not go back to normal, but rather a new normal.
At least until we had herd immunity and we have a vaccine.
He adds that he does not want to pull the plug too soon.
Is toggling back and forth between more restrictive and less restrictive measures, more individual accountability, more individual responsibility.
And Newsom says localism is determinative.
We have a state vision, but it will be realized at the local level. Local governments, local counties, local health directors will have a profound and outsized influence.
Meanwhile, local leader Mayor Karen Go says she is working with the governor's office very closely to discuss the future and learn from one another.
We are on regular conference calls with the governor's office, planning, working together, learning one from another. And just last Friday, all of the big city mayors were on a conference call with the governor.
Newsom and Go say this new normal down the line will still have restrictions. The public will be advised to wear masks in public. Restaurants could reopen on the basis that they allow less tables and more distancing. And schools will also be changing the way they utilize the new normal practices while still being in the classroom.
And being open to learning from one another and being willing to be the change agent is critical to how we move ahead and how we come back to the new normal and how we come back to that economy that is thriving, businesses and personal lives that will be thriving.
Now, Go says that the county's timing is slightly behind other counties, so we must stay vigilant at this time and continue to practice social distancing and the state's guidelines during this time. But for now, reporting in Bakersfield, I'm Kylie Walker, 23 ABC, connecting you.